Felon Grace pin pheasant, male. 2 peregrine guzzlekeets, 8 ounces each. Ack tit booty, 1 female, 6 ounces.
What are you doing?
Bird watching.
Oh.
One double-breasted black wellow.
Sorry, do you mind just being a little quieter? I'm just trying to enjoy the nature, so.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Thank you. What are you throwing?
Bird seed.
Trash grouse.
I'll just go. I'll leave.
Don't move.
What?
Don't look. Perched in the canopy behind you are 2 blood-bellied razor phalluses primed for mating. And as everybody knows, the male leads the female to the nest, which just so happens to be
I don't know what you're talking about.
orange like your stupid lazy haircut. The normal mating season is the peak of summertime, but thanks to global warming, when the birds get confused, they fuck early. Fantastic for a guy like me. Brace yourself,
Wait, you're saying they're gonna land in my hair?
if we're lucky. Stop moving. Don't flinch. Mother, you will never believe what I just caught on film. Yeah, 2 of them. And it got in his mouth.
There's a duck over there.
I'll call you back.